If you want to know how I create this effect with the words cut out from the solid background, grab a text box and I'm just going to enlarge the word and change the font. Now all we want to do is go to effects and we're going to go all the way down to the bottom shape and we're going to click on this one here. And what it's done is it's automatically changed the background colour to yellow. So if we click on the box again, we are then able to change the colour of the background. And we could change this one to white just so you can see the text a wee second. But what we're going to do is click this button here, cut out text. And there you can see that now it has removed the background and it's completely see-through and gives us that lovely layer. We can change the shape size, as you can see the rectangle behind it, and we can also change the opacity of the background as well. So I want to keep that up at 100% and I'm going to increase that here, but then we can also still edit the size of the text as well, which is really important. We can change the typeface, etc. And now if I just move that down here and move the layers so that we get it sitting at the right level. And we can now see that the background is a little too deep. So if I go back in here, go back into my effects, I can adjust that cutout so it's not quite sitting over the whole shape of the logo. And then it leaves me a gap up here. What I've done is I've just added a rectangle shape here which I can adjust to give us that complete effect.